So we are running Day in the Life of Memecoin Millionaire Part 2. Today we are actually linking up with Pablo. I don't know if you guys have watched his videos or not. I'll put his link in the description, but it should be a fun time. We're gonna pick him up from the gym right now. We're gonna go to the gym. He's gonna finish his lesson, and then we will be going on a boat with Mega and finish off the day with some dinner, some trading. Yesterday, actually, I don't know if you guys saw, but aliens were like announced as real, and Trump released the aliens files. So for the past month, I've been in this coin called Aliens, and I've been holding it with conviction that Trump is gonna release the files. And they ended up paying off yesterday. We made 22K off of the trade. Here it is. And I actually showed it to you guys on my last recap. So if you wanna learn more about how we did it and how it ended up working out, you can watch that video. It was a pretty good trade, pretty good time. But anyways, I'll cut to when we link up with Pablo in a minute. We're in the car. I'll see you guys soon. We just got Pablo. We picked him up from the gym. Look at this with the towel, fucking wet, sweaty ass hair.
They were supposed to come watch me box and do a little boxing session with me. I wanted to get Prosper in the ring so he could get buff and fuck you guys up talking shit.
But we got there too.
Yeah, the traffic is fucked. Miami traffic is like nothing I've seen before.
It's cooked. But today we're doing Day in the Life Memecoin Trader, IRL, Millionaire type shit, Part 2. That should be pretty cool.
We got yachts, we got hoes, we're going Carbone like the Drake song, we're going to the club. We got hella shit to do. It's gonna be fun.
So it should be cool. Maybe we do some shopping later. Maybe we just, vibe around. So we'll take
Make a bet right now. Is Prosper gonna get some hoes on the yacht? Yes or no?
All right,
What's the odds? What's the odds?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. Nah, I'm playing. Of course I'm getting hoes.
Manish on the beat, shebang. All of my ops say dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My
I have a very important question for you. Yeah. Do you know who Cupsy is?
No.
He's like this really big meme coin trader.
Oh, you know it. So, baby, let's go. You know that you got it, girl. Don't you come on, let's go. Flashing lights in my face, camera lights at night. You can step away, still gon' concern you. Still, we was outside popping pills, making money.
All right, so first question, what was your biggest trade on chain? The most amount of money you've made?
With meme coins, I made 55K on Punch. Cute ass monkey that you guys have seen.
What was your worst round trip? Like, how much have you held and lost in profits, the most amount?
I was up like 140K on Punch, and then this might be a bad round trip. I'm currently holding like 150K in Asteroid.
What's Asteroid?
Asteroid is a new coin it's a very sad narrative, so I don't want to like try and manipulate it. Essentially, this girl asked Elon Musk for her little toy Shiba to be the mascot of SpaceX, and then she unfortunately ended up passing away. But Elon saw it, and because he's a real one, he said that he's going to make Asteroid this mascot of SpaceX, which is huge.
This is your first time in Miami. Out of everyone you've met so far, who do you like look up to the most? That was like just like a crazy like meeting experience.
I thought meeting like traders like EQ and QWERTY, no glaze, but I thought it was pretty cool.
No Orangie?
Orangie's my boy. I love Orangie. Orangie has made me everything that I am.
How much money have you made trading meme coins all time, and what do your parents have to think about it or say about it?
So I've made multi-seven figures, low multi-seven figures trading meme coins. My mom doesn't understand it at all. She thinks it's a scam. But I remember the day that I told her that I was a millionaire, she broke down in crying because I'm the first millionaire in our bloodline, in our family.
That's incredible. My mom said nothing. She just was like, thumbs up. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a little podcast fucking segment with literally the best traders on chain in Miami right now. What's your quick buy?
Yeah, 3 sol and then 6 sol.
My usual quick buy is like 1 band. That's like 10 sol.
If I quick buy like something in migration, it's like 5 to 10. But like post migration, I usually do 50 at least.
So question to you, do you think traders like, I don't trade the same way as them, but I'm new gen. I'm not gonna act like I'm a Xander trader. Do you think traders like me and him, how can we focus on staying in the space long term? Like how many years have you been in crypto?
Like 6 now.
Right, so me and you guys been like, what, 1-2 years?
Year.
1 year,
and a
right?
half, probably. Yeah.
And do you want to be in crypto and eventually
I'm never
hit
leaving.
8 figs, multi 8 figs?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
I don't think you can do that anymore just
With
through
the same play style.
trenching 10K, 20K
Yeah, I
migration
agree.
toppers.
But then
right?
look at Cupsy. Cupsy did that.
But he was
No,
from
no,
the
no,
start.
but
I don't
okay.
think we could do it today, and in a year we'd have
I'm gonna
many
give
things.
Cupsy his flowers because I swear to God, Cupsy with whatever you want to say, right? When I'm in call with him, if I ever buy a coin on top of him, he won't sell them. New people, they're just so jittery. They're so reactionary to all it. Bro, I'm literally, you know, I made most of my money from straight up no bullshit, not giving a fuck about any FUD. Like FUD is literally fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It's literally created and designed to get people out of their positions.
Same with all these older guys that have more experience in the space than us.
There's nothing
they
more
have
than the patience.
But the thing is, they have the net worth as well to back their conviction.
I think that argument is invalid.
It's a little bit cope.
Okay, that argument is useless because net worth literally completely relates to how much your position is correlative to your net worth. So that argument is straight up saying you're just oversized.
Yeah.
You're over leveraged. That's
Okay.
all it is.
I want to do a quick segment because I know his answer, but I want to hear you guys.
Okay.
What are your most profitable trades? First, Pablo, what's your most profitable trade
Ever? I bought Punch at 400K
Yeah.
and I held to like 50 mil.
How long do you hold and how much money do you make?
I made like 55K and I held like a week. And then my other trade, I bought 3 Sol on the Big Short and I held to 3 mil and I made like, again, 45, 50K.
Wow. Okay.
So that's my biggest trade
two
on meme coins.
500-ish soul plays on meme
Yes.
coins.
And then-
but you also trade crypto.
Correct. I do perps and leverage, and my biggest trade on perps, you guys have probably all seen it. I shorted Solana at borderline the top and made just over 700K USD.
Wow. All right, Xander, what was your biggest trade?
I'm not really like a one trade kind of guy. I was always the type of person to trade 150 coins a day. But my biggest trade was Melania. As soon as it came out, I bought 600 Sol at like 800 mil average. And my average exit was around 6 or 2 bill. Melania was just an easy trade for me.
How much
right?
did you make?
I made 800K.
Okay, damn. P&L mog.
My biggest perps trade was also similar to yours. It was AV&T. I made 700K off of it.
Do you advise people to copy? Do you think copy trading is good?
I think copy trading, when someone makes a thesis and explains out their logic, and they're known to hit multiple X's, is a good copy trade,
I
right?
don't think it's necessarily copy trading, it's confluence building.
Exactly.
So you would say just be on 24/7
Bro,
and let it
work
come to
ethic.
you.
Work ethic is on. I honestly think if you put the time in, you're gonna find the reward no matter what you do. You could be the shittiest trader in the world. If you're locking in 10 hours a day every day and you don't go broke, you're eventually gonna get rich.
I agree. All right, boys, so we just finished the hot tub. We're about to go to, I think we were gonna go to Carbone, but Kodo, are we still into Carbone?
I got rich, recline, can't do it like me. Rich for sure.
All right, boys, so we are going to Carbone right now. I split up from the group. Now I'm Ubering because I'm late as usual. See you guys at Carbone.
Custom the things, custom the wings. I had to custom the vibe, custom the link. Cover the back of the lie, front cover magazine. Cover your eyes, cut it up back.
All right, boys, so we just finished Carbone. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was gas, but I am full. I feel like utter trash, and now these guys are dragging me to the club.
Dragging? He's the
Drag the whole
main
club.
He's the main one.
Dude.
Let's go club, let's go club, let's go
No,
club.
I'm not. I'll happily go to
Why would I
sleep.
play when I know the shit? Why would I play when I know the shit stop? Tell the DJ go run that. Tell the DJ go run that. I got too many issues and I bought me some more missiles. I was sitting there by myself, dog. Ain't nobody giving no tissue. Why would I play when I know the shit? Why would I?
Good night. He's out. Ow. He is gone. See, I heard him with my dab up. That's how much motion we got. I was like feeling sick in that restaurant. Yeah, I was not feeling good. Bro, this guy just spawned in fucking grub out of nowhere, bro. All right,
W night?
W night. I would say like a 6 out of 10.
It was like better than we thought it was gonna be though. So
It was definitely better than we thought it was gonna be. Like, good night. I mean, to begin with, like we were not really feeling going out. So, you know, for like what it was cool. You know, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go to my link in the description below, ethanprosper.com, if you guys want to learn how to trade and, you know, see more of me. And also,
copy trade Ethan Prosper and you will become a millionaire tomorrow.
that works too. And also, don't forget Seb's socials in the description if you want to see more of his content. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.